Attack is a third-person shooter inspired by classic Western monster movies and related media and Japanese kaiju films. The player takes on the role of a soldier in the EDF, a global military force, in the aftermath of a sudden worldwide alien assault that has already annihilated all force outside Japan. The game has been released in February 27, 2024 in PlayStation 2 and developed by Sandlot and published by AG Tech and D3 Publisher. Third-person shooter video game developed by Sandlot. The game was originally published as the Chikyo Boycon 2 in Japan by D3 Publisher as Volume 81 of the Sample 2000 series of budget games. It was later released in Europe Essential Games, the brand created by 3D Publisher to publish Sample 2000 series game. As a PlayStation Portable version of the game, titled Air Defense 2 Portable, was released on April 7, 2011 in Japan. A PlayStation Vita version titled Air Defense Force 2 Invader from Planet Space, known as Japan Defense Force 2 Portable 2 V2. Force Tactic, known in Japan as Air Defense Force Tactic, is a PS2 turn-based strategy game developed by Tinks Arts. Player assume the role of GDF commander and control GDF unit in a turn-based mission against the giant bugs menace. Mission takes place on 2DX map with attack depicted by brief animated cutscenes. The game has 50 stages and 250 different weapons.
It's a real flying saucer! Damn. What a sight.
All troops taking positions.
Air Defense Force 2017 is a third-person shooter developed by Sandlot and published by D3 Publisher for the 360. Is the follow-up to the Global Air Defense Force series, as well as the first game based on D3's Symbol series of budget games to be released in North America. Air Defense Force 3 was the best-selling games on-demand game in Japan in 2009. The game was released on the PS Vita in Japan 27 September 2012. It was released digital only in North America and by region in Europe.
There's more of them coming your way, like seem to be just coming straight out the ground. There's a fuzz ton of debris being thrown around too. Son of a car.
Defense Force Insect Armageddon is a third-person shooter developed by Vicious Cycle Software and published by D3 Publisher for the PlayStation 3, 360 and Windows. It is a spin-off built around the concept of What If America Made EDF and has no story or setting connection to the numbers of series. The EDF defend a fictional city called New Detroit against an alien invasion. Aided by bioengineered terrestrial insects, the player goes by the name of Lightning Alpha, leader of an elite team of fighters known as Strike Force Lightning. Along with two squad mates, Lightning is usually aided by local EDF fighting force in the area, though they are poor compared to Lightning. is a third-person shooter developed by Sandlot and published by D3 Publisher for the PS3 and 360. It is the follow-up to Air Defense 2017, a remastered version titled Air Defense Force 4.1 Shadow of the New Despair was released for PS4 in 2016, which included the original game as well as a new expansion. A reboot titled Air Defense 4.5 was released in December 7, 2017. Air Defense Force is a unified multinational military sponsored by nearly every country. It is founded after detecting an impending alien visiting the case. The alien proved hostile. Air Defense Force 5 is the fifth main installment in the 8th game in the Defense Force video game series, developed by Sandlot and published by D3 Publisher. The game was released for PS4 in Japan in 2017. The game was released simultaneously in the US, Europe, and China and South Korea in 2018. As a digital deluxe exclusive for the PlayStation 4, Air Defense 5 departs from the continued establishing Air Defense 2017 and set in a new continuity where the Air Defense 4 is a private military corporation and sees action for the first time in the year 2022. Air Defense 5 follows up the same gameplay style as the previous 4.1. At the start of the game, the player cannot select the difficulties, hardest or Inferno. However, this becomes unlocked after beating the game once. Unlike 4.1, however, some missions now contain pre-placed vehicles, normally being civilized vehicles that the player can occupy. Iron Rain is a third-person shooter video game developed by Yukees and published by D3 Publisher for the PS4. It is a spin-off for the Air Defense Force series, geared more toward Western audience with a more serious tone compared to the main series by Sandlot. Like previous entry in the series, Air Defense 4 Iron is a third-person action shooting game where the player takes control of an air defense force soldier and battle on an onslaught of alien enemies. The game features 4 soldier classes: the Trooper, Jet Lifter, Heavy Striker, and